Hello and welcome back to the course. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to talk about the near future in French, using a very common and useful structure called le futur proche. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to talk about your upcoming plans, express what you're going to do soon, and answer typical TEF or TCF questions related to the future. Let's dive in. In this module, we'll learn how to use the structure aller plus verb to express the near future, how to talk about your personal or professional plans, how to ask questions about what someone is going to do, and how to use time expressions to say when something will happen. So, what exactly is the futur proche? It's called the near future in English, and it's used to talk about something that will happen very soon. Here's how we form it in French. Subject plus aller, conjugated in the present plus main verb in the infinitive. Let's look at a few examples. Je vais manger. I'm going to eat. Tu vas étudier. You're going to study. Il va voyager. He's going to travel. Nous allons faire du sport. We're going to work out. Vous allez regarder un film. You're going to watch a movie. Ils vont partir demain. They're going to leave tomorrow. As you can hear, we just conjugate the verb aller in the present, then add the infinitive. Try saying a few of those out loud. Now, let's add time expressions to give context. Here are some useful ones. Ce soir, this evening, demain, tomorrow, bientôt, soon, la semaine prochaine, next week, dans 2 jours, in 2 days, ce weekend, this weekend. These words typically appear at the beginning or end of a sentence. For example, demain, je vais travailler. Ce week-end, nous allons faire du shopping. Bientôt, tu vas commencer un nouveau projet. At how to ask simple questions using the near future. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire demain? What are you going to do tomorrow? Est-ce que vous allez sortir ce soir? Are you going to go out this evening? Où est-ce qu'ils vont aller ce week-end? Where are they going to go this weekend? These question structures are very common in both everyday conversation and the TEF-TCF oral exams. Speaking of the TEF and TCF, here's what you might hear in the exam. The examiner might ask, Quels sont vos projets pour la semaine prochaine? Qu'est-ce que vous allez faire ce soir? It's a great idea to prepare 2 or 3 answers ahead of time. Keep it simple. For example, demain, je vais aller au marché. Ce week-end, je vais étudier pour mon examen. Say them slowly and clearly. All right, to wrap up, try writing or saying a few of your own examples using the near future. Start with je vais or nous allons and build from there. This structure is one of the most helpful tools for sounding fluent, and it will definitely come up in your exam. Take your time, review the lesson again if needed, and keep practicing out loud. See you in the next module.